God damn it. I need to use Flonase this morning.
I'm gonna go piss. I'll be right back.
God damn it. Holy shit. This weather change and stuff has ruined my sinuses.
Ruined them.
They're ruined.
You know what else is ruined?
What?
My heart, Geo.
Your what?
You ruined my heart. Ruined.
Hmm. Before I had a janky system in here. Manage my jumpies, but Do it with -1.
Meow.
Hello. Branch offset. Hmm.
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 Hmm. So, oh. Huh.
Hmm.
Why did I make a jump and link hazard? Oh yeah, because that's I know why.
I love forgetting why I did something. It makes you feel like the smartest fucking person on the planet.
It does. I also forgot to add the right condition for jump and links. Wow. We'll be writing.
You know, Ellie doing that reminded me of a question. Am I gonna have to present or do a call talking with anybody about the tool other than you, Gio?
No. Literally, your only engineering boss is me. You go to Penny for like HR and money.
I'm gonna put together a whole presentation just for you. No, I'm just kidding.
I mean, if you want to put it together an entire presentation for me, you can.
I want to give you the most wild corporate speak ever.
You see, with the new architecture of the turbo encabulator, we
We can leverage these dynamic, disruptive technologies
wanna put it
from
together,
Web3 in order to power our.
If you make a funny presentation like that, I will 100% let you present it on my stream just to see if we can get as many people as we can to watch it.
That should be the title of it. Our Web3 powered Verilog debugger.
Fuck that. God
We
damn.
should
You know
have
what?
NFTs embedded into it.
That would be so based. God.
Say that again.
I said we should have NFTs embedded into it.
Oh my god. Like every time like you build your first processor and it generates some random like fake die shot looking thing of your CPU and it just gives it to you as a badge and it's known as like your random ISA underscore first CPU. Those would actually be kind of cool, not gonna lie. Having like per person generated badges that aren't worth anything, they're just per person generated and saying, hey look, you got a first CPU, you built, this person built their first CPU.
Achievements.
Yeah. Achievements for IDE, that would be beautiful. I just realized I still have the starting soon screen on? I do.
It wouldn't be that hard. The user database is going to be tracking like how many times you've compiled, how many times a project has been compiled, simulation details and stuff like that. I'll be able to keep track of all that crap.
I'm looking over the instruction sheet. Entire presentation. I just realized I have not updated the top little bar on my thing. And we need some minor music. I knew there was a reason I saved a long time ago some playlist in Spotify that said royalty free. I don't have to keep using no copyright sounds YouTube, which just gets really old after a while.
I was listening to this awesome German artist with a voice of gold.
I don't know why I added this jump and link hazard.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember why. It's, but why would that on... Because that needs to be a will be writing to A. Well, this song sucks, though. Hmm.
I wonder if my old German professor knew this guy. Or knew of this guy.
So, there's something I'm trying to debate.
What are you trying to debate?
If you do a branch or a jump, I can know your... I need to... If you do a branch or a jump with a register 0 as your destination, then it doesn't need to speculate. It doesn't need to branch at all because it's unconditional. So I can do that as soon as I can execute that branch here, which saves which saves all of the branch recovery time.
Nice.
It's amazing that once you have a business email address, how many like emails you get from random people. Hi, we recognize you're an online company. Do you need an app or a website made? I'm a developer with 20 years of experience, and I'm here ready for you.
Ugh.
I got spammed with so many of those damn things. So many of them. That I eventually decided to say fuck it and bought the website howcompletelyuselessiam.com. So when anytime a scammer tries to call me or message me about wanting work done on that website, they go, hi, I'm in reference to how completely useless I am.
That's fucking awesome.
I only got like 5 scam calls after I got that website, and now I just don't get any more. Because it only took the first couple people to literally go, hey, click. Why would I'm so confused. What did I do last week with this fucking wire? Why does it even exist? I don't know why I even have it. I mean, I can literally just do a jump and link instruction here since I know the only difference between a jump and link and a branch is that you store the PC. So I can just have that writing to A. And if I'm yeah, that's fine. Oh, I remember why. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't need any special permission for that. Oh, I remember why. I'm gonna make a comment about this. Yeah, that's why. Because I need to grab the PC. Because if the pipeline's this deep, then when a jump and link gets decoded here, it should be grabbing this PC value. to store to the register, but if it waits till it gets down here, it's gonna be +1, +2, +3. It'll be like +4 additional. So it'll be in a completely wrong value. Is that even a problem though? Does they only ever allow you to do one branch deep? Okay. Oh, my sciences are finally draining from overnight. Song sounds like shit. I can't do anything with jumps, actually. I can't do any fancy things with jumps. Because of the run ahead and stuff. I love how Dylan didn't even move over here.
Probably fell asleep.
He's doing Dylan things.
Makes sense.
Alright, I'm gonna be back.
Okay. Okay. Means this program counter became easier because now it doesn't need this extra like jump and branch. It's just a branch input. was wondering why that was all wrong. Okay. Oh yeah, those are relatives. Forgot. So my decoder branch, my decoder jump here, jump and link here. This is at PC like 7. And then it goes, then it's at 8 here, 9 here, 10 here. So I need to subtract 2. Wait, by the time it's instruction, it'll be. So PC will be 7 here with the branch, and then 8, and then 9, then 10, then 11. Let's say we'll be at 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi, Dennis.
Hi. How you doing? I2C doesn't have device address. Who was assuming I2C has a device address?
Francis?
What the fuck? Oh, okay. I was just looking through the chats. I just got...
Hmm.
Hey, what? Someone else here? It's like so quiet.
I can stream my screen again. I'm on
Ah.
YouTube.
Oh, sorry, then I don't want to interrupt you.
Oh, you're
I'm
fine.
just was looking by, but I guess I'm going to buy some groceries now.
That's fine.
anyway. Because as I will starve. I didn't eat anything yesterday. Neither did I eat anything today. So I probably should eat something soon.
That'd probably be wise.
Sometimes I'm just lazy. Oh, programming again.
Mm-hmm.
How new?
I'm working on the functional units. We get the program counter, and then the 2 ALUs done.
Oh, that's great.
I already have all like the program. The ALU needs to be updated. There's a few instructions that changed, only a few. But I'm also just gonna simplify their code because their code's pretty nasty.
Oh, that's why it's like getting everything at the same time executed. That's why you need to like if program counter trigger. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's smart. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. This language makes sense if you actually look at it.
It does. I love this language.
I can see why.
Okay, so I don't know why I have all of these. Oh yeah, because my jump I had more because I had two. Yeah, never mind. So that becomes simpler. So all I need to do is either gives me +1. So the default case for the zeros, I'll use 0. Actually, no, I'm gonna have this be an OR. And this will be the sync reset. This will be broom counter +1. Standard PC.
Why would you like increase more than 1 or not by 1?
No, this is for like branching. So then this will be either Oh. Operand B data. Okay, so then this either needs to be the immediate data. Hold on, so if it's not relative branch enable, then this turns on. Oh, hold on. So if just a branch enable. There's two different branch conditions we can have. There is immediate data, and then there is operand B data plus
Morning, Dennis.
Morning? Oh yeah, it's 7 a.m. 8 a.m.
6:45.
Oh, you live on the East Coast?
On the West Coast.
West Coast? Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to data bit width. This just needs to be 6
Okay,
to
I'm going
0.
to buy my groceries now. I'm going
Okay.
to die.
Bye.
Bye. Have a hopefully you get your program countdown done.
Thank you. So that's 16 and the lowest 7 bits are taken. That means I need to drop that to a 9-bit vector, which means 7, yeah, so I need to subtract 7. I don't know why I did all this weird shit out external here. Right? It's just so much easier just to give it the operands and just have it do the shit inside the PC. Okay. Oh, this works. So relative branch enable. So if both of these are on, then I'll do this. And then I'll have the sync reset will turn on the upper bit, but it will turn off the lower bit. So then this will be sync reset. And that's the cleanest way to do the logic. Otherwise, it involves too many gates.
You good? That sounds awful.
I've tried like 5, 6 different medicines, And the thing that works the most is Flonase, but I stopped taking it because when I got COVID in December, magically when I had COVID, it just stopped it. I didn't have a single drainage issue until like a week or two ago. So I went 2-3 months without any leakage without any drainage. All my allergies were pretty much solved because of COVID. And then I got COVID again, and when I got better from it the second time, my sinuses went back to shit. Hi,
Hi, Optimo.
Hey,
How you doing, buddy?
Hey, what's up?
how you feeling?
feeling a little bit better.
That's
Nice.
good.
You gonna be around for the noon thing?
Sure. What are we working on today on this?
I'm refactoring the program counter and the ALUs from pORC2.
Okay.
Which I think I'm done with right now. Which is so much it's nicer than this one. This one's just nasty. Oh yeah, I need to do the trigger.
I've got the YouTube in another tab. Need some viewers, right?
Thank you. I don't know why I had all these conditions for triggers. That's so stupid.
I was actually looking at that last night. I was working on my own thing. And I was looking at your program counter.
Yeah, this is
What
much easier.
coincidence.
This is much cleaner.
Yeah, where in the program counter was it setting it to 0 to start? I couldn't really figure that out from the RTL.
Do what?
Like the program counter value, like setting it to 0 to start. Does it get that from one of these muxes?
Yeah, so sync reset, it makes sure both these bits are 0, and I don't have a default case because this is written like shit. So whenever sync reset goes high, it triggers. It's on the trigger line. So it triggers it, and then since it's on here, it'll force both of these to turn off.
Okay, so you get the default case.
Yeah, and then for this
Okay.
one, I have an explicit case of 1-0 for my sync reset. So when sync reset comes on, it ORs with the upper bit of the condition, and then it implies the
Okay.
branch enable. So if go ahead.
I was making my own, and I was having to explicitly set it the reg to 0 to start. That's because I was missing something like that. I was missing the default case.
I don't even think this code really needs comments.
Nice.
I'll do this.
Whoa, oh my
Famous
god,
last
so
words.
comment and code?
It's not code. It's an important distinction. It's like a description.
Man.
Yeah, I don't really need it because like my notes for this one would be it's the immediate jump, and this one would be the offset jump, but it's fucking has immediate in the fucking line and offset in the line.
Did you guys already talk about the singularity today?
No.
GPT-4.
Yeah,
Oh, hey, I already
Yeah.
used that.
yeah. I was thinking of you guys.
Oh, god damn it! I do need to do something
It
more.
is way slower than 3.5. It almost goes at the same pace that a person talks.
I haven't used it yet, but
That's just a compute power.
I think
Power
that-
problem.
they put it in the new Bing thing already. Bing.
Yep.
Yeah, the cost and the compute, it'll all be like negligible by this time next year.
I don't like this. I just forgot I have to actually make the fucking branches conditional. I mean, that's actually not too bad. I'll just do it's a single OR and then a mux. I think it's a lot. Yeah, came over there.
Oh, you don't get the stream music in here.
It's in the YouTube.
Yep, that's what I was listening to earlier.
Oh yeah, but listening to the YouTube while we're talking is probably gonna be like migraine inducing.
Yeah, there's some kind of delay there. I don't know how long. Is that you jamming out to the stream music?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Context, no context here is funny. ART.
What's up, RT?
Hello.
Did you get RT like some text to speech thing on?
Well, RT does talk on voice sometimes.
Not with us adults.
Oh yeah, only with the little ones. I say little ones like they're not
You
21.
made him leave.
Gone.
Did he say anything in chats? In text at all?
Nothing. Wait. He might have. Hang on, let me see.
Oh, it's typing. It's typing.
This is why I don't join y'all XD.
Why?
We had parents listening or something.
Oh.
That would suck.
If that's the case, then I feel really bad.
That could have been worse. I could have said some really nasty shit. As we're prone to do sometimes.
What? No, we don't do anything like. No.
No, not on stream. I would never.
We're good people. We're always like well behaved. I don't think in the general idea of a well-behaved adult is only for a very slim amount of people in this world. I feel like most people are not very well-behaved.
Although, first thing I did was suggest a way to get around by using text-to-speech. Putting ideas in this kid's head.
How dare you? Oh, I'm gonna have to use the Oh, sweet. I was already scrolled up to it. No, oh, it was already talked about it recently.
Hey, they're back.
Dude, if I wasn't developing this debugging tool, I would probably look into making like a static analysis tool that uses GPT. Because oh my god, that would be the most epic thing ever.
Should I swap my borrow check, which currently... Oh, no, I added an overflow check. Never mind.
I'm working.
You know what I'm doing.
You're
Alright.
working? Oh, working.
Yes, that's what I said. I'm twerking. You made a 3D printer?
Yeah, right,
Like
I made a
assembled the
4D.
kit or designed it?
Scrap mechanic.
You gotta throw that out there.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Dude, singularity. You never know. Could have just imagined it.
So add inc sub deck and XOR or move carry check implies borrow check overflow.
Why does this need a refactor?
I changed the instructions a little bit.
Okay, I think I missed that.
In these two reserved spaces, I added,
Right.
and I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. It doesn't need ALU 1.0 doesn't need to be cleaned up, but this one does need to be cleaned up a bit. And I changed whether or not I changed the comparison instructions. Instead of outputting a 1 if it's true and a 0 if it's false, it's going to output the subtraction result if it's false, if it's true, and it's going to output it's going to output 0 if it's true and the subtraction result if it's false. Because that matches C in a lot of other programming languages where like comparisons come back 0, and also it matches my jump 0, my jump if 0. So you can do a comparison if sign greater than equal to. Then you know, hey, if I do that and it comes back with a 0, I can do that and then immediately jump. And if it's a 0, it came back true. So it's slightly inverted logic, but it makes it makes stuff a lot easier to program for. I'm gonna get up and stretch for a second. I'll be back.
Stretch break.
That's a good idea. Get some water.
And Penny's like, oh, that sounds like a good help. That sounds like a good help indeed. It could do a lot for us. I'm like, yeah, it would help us a lot if we made it free. Then we could train people on it for free. It'd be really nice.
Well, my assumption was like there's going to be a free version for personal use, but you wouldn't be able to use any of the stuff you made with it for commercial. You'd have to buy a license or something.
Nope,
Like,
it's all free for that.
oh, okay.
Literally, the only thing you'll have to pay for, you don't ever have to pay for anything. The only thing you can pay for if you want to is for the convenience of us hosting it for you.
In like, yeah, okay. So this tool has it expected to pay for itself, or does it even? Is it?
It won't.
Okay.
It's gonna be a loss. It's going to be a loss. It's gonna be funded by donations and stuff. Primarily, it's the money is only, like, I will be releasing dev boards that I know will explicitly work really well with our stuff, because like I'll be using that debugger when I build the board and stuff. I'll be releasing a few different like FPGA boards through the Learn to Do Shit and this site. So the income that comes from selling those boards will help fund this. But then besides that, it'll just be, and those will be barely marked up, just enough to pretty much cover costs and give us a little bit of like leeway to cover the tool. But the idea is that it's funded by other stuff. Like you're being paid from someone else rather than the person who's actually rather than the tool.
Yeah, this song is great, actually. Es ist Abend.
Is RT showing something cool?
I don't know.
By the way, I'm only going to be streaming for about an hour or more.
Oh shit, Leo Slabs is streaming.
Is that you smoking, Ellen?
What?
What?
I heard your vape through your microphone.
Who's me?
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
No, you can vape. Hiss the vape sound. It's a.
What you smoking?
Okay.
Says you're on stretch breaks.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm still.
I want to make sure I actually do the right. Why are the most complicated gates to remember the exact semantics of implies and implies?
Dude, I hate.
Ironic.
I hate it
It's
so
always the
much.
opposite. It's always the opposite of what I think it is.
Every
And it really
fucking
annoys the fuck
time.
out of me.
Like, it always pisses me off.
It is. It's legitimately fucking triggering.
Like, when I need to use them, I don't really care at all. Like, I just don't give a shit. However, when I need to actually make something that's like labeled properly, I have to go double check, and it annoys the shit out of me.
Yeah, I end up going. I have my blackboard behind me, and then I end up just reworking it out because it really fucking annoys the hell out of me.
Oh yeah, I just work out gates as I need them for things. I'm just looking over the fuck. I love how the Wikipedia for logic gates doesn't have implies or implies on it.
It It is technically one of the boys.
But it's not
So
on
it
here.
should be there, but I kind of want to design like an FPGA for Minecraft. I think that'd be pretty cool.
I'm gonna hold on. I already have one designed. Matthew made one cell. It just needs to be built and actually like expanded on properly.
Well, I want to build one. Maybe I want to design it and build it.
Do it.
Are you talking about different Matthew?
What?
You were talking about me, were you?
Yeah.
When was that? I don't remember making that.
I remember I made the FPGA cell, just a single lookup table cell, and you made it programmable.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, okay.
So A and not B. That's what I was gonna do, because that would give me an A and not B. So it gives me a 0, 1. That's not what I wanted. Oh my god, yeah, that's why I'm annoyed, because I'm looking up implies, but I'm thinking of nimplies.
Nah.
What?
Get fucked.
Didn't you just say those are the two gates you never miss out?
Yeah, I know, and I was wondering why my fucking... I hate it.
Get
I
fucked.
hate this so
Get
much.
fucked.
Get your nimplies twisted.
Yeah, so then for implies, if I want to do a proper implies, would just be not A or B. Why do implies and implies gates just fucking give me a headache every time I look them up? I fucking hate it.
Get fucked, cock, dude. That's so fucking funny to me. Oh my god. Literally just talking about that, and you fucked it up.
Well, I'm debating what would be more useful.
I don't know, what would be more useful?
I use an implies more in logic. Hmm. You can hate me, but I'm using Bing chat to tell and asking him which I should use. I'm curious.
God, I hate all of you.
It's fun. I probably won't listen to it, but asking it things like this stumble it up, and it's funny to watch it just struggle.
Us not using it isn't going to slow it down anyway. Might as well enjoy what time we have left if this is all. You know, if it is going to end, fuck it.
It's not, but you're like, yeah, we're all gonna die from the fucking whatever the fuck, from some stupid bullshit.
What? I just think it's possible. What's wrong with that?
This new one is really good at role playing. Ask it to be a domain expert. And, you'd ask it to like tutor you in a subject like this. It'll not give you. It will not give you answers. It'll just lead you to answers yourself. With good discipline. You'll be like, I don't know it. Please tell me the answer. I'll be like, no. You said I'm a tutor, man.
The song fucking comes.
Hey, RT. Oh, that was YOLO.
For not sleeping, I feel pretty okay.
I don't know if that's healthy. I'm really questioning the health of that.
You're not my doctor. You're my friend.
Hey, your doctor, you just hurt their feelings so much. Because now they know they can never be your friend. That's brutal. How many stimulants are you on?
What?
Are you like on any caffeine or stuff like that?
I've drinking about 4 cups of coffee since about 1 a.m.
That might be why you feel okay. It's gonna hit you like a truck later, though.
That's okay. As long as it's after the meeting. Which I do have supplemental caffeine to get me through the meeting.
It's only going to be like 30. Well, apparently there's going to be a presentation.
I was so fucking delirious when we talked with the person. I don't know if we could say that here. I could barely fucking see straight.
Yeah, because you didn't sleep for like 2 days. You were so scared.
Who, which meeting?
When you first got the job.
Oh, for with the meeting with Penny?
Yeah. You just wasn't saying name because don't want to.
No. Was I not supposed to say the name?
Probably not.
Yeah, you fucked up so much. I'm gonna have to tell them about this. I'm in trouble. Like the 5th time I've reported you to HR this week.
We're getting fucked, man. Your red cards are stacking. Your red cards are stacking hard.
We've definitely said that name in this chat, like, multiple times before.
I said in here before I started streaming. I just don't say any names unless I have to.
Understandable.
A buoy.
Okay.
What presentation are you talking about?
Someone else in the meeting just mentioned to me that they had like something they were going to present.
Oh, okay.
I ain't fucking presenting anything. I simply sit here and look at you all and go, that sounds good.
I hope he didn't build out his own architecture, because I kind of like mine.
You know what that means, right?
What?
Good old-fashioned fisticuffs.
I will fight that.
Good old-fashioned fisticuffs. Let's go. Whose architecture's better? Fight, 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 fight.
Fight.
You know those big blow-up things that you put in your fist? Were they rock'em sock'em things?
Yeah, right. Just brawl out. First one to tap out. You go with the other one's architecture.
I'm the one that's gonna be implementing this stuff.
I don't care. Fuck it. I want to see a showdown. I want to see a Rock'em Sock'em showdown.
I've spent all this time building this nice thing in
When you could have been sleeping.
Lucid app. Shut up. I was
You walked
watching a
straight into that
show.
one.
Okay, so here's what happened: is I was watching a show, and then I looked at the time, and I said, "Fuck, it's like almost 2, but I need to finish this episode." And then I accidentally watched another episode, and then I
It's the
I turned it
show's
off,
fault.
I turned it off. I laid in bed. I laid in bed for probably like 45 seconds. And then I'm like, oh no, dude, I'm not gonna wake up for my alarm if I go to sleep now. So I just fucking got up and started working.
Okay, we have a proper overflow check now. And it's cleaned up a little bit. I like this a little bit better.
This last, like, sleep cycle mess up that I went through confirmed my suspicions. Fixing my sleep cycle, it doesn't get fixed by me pushing myself to stay awake for a really, really long time. It really gets fixed by sleeping in. That, like, moving it forward that way.
Yeah, so for me, it's a hybrid.
To bed early. That's the hard part, right? Going to bed early.
Yeah, that sucks.
Where did Spotify go? What the fuck? There it is. I lost Spotify.
Actually, a lot easier when you're taking cough medicine. For, I don't know what I'm taking. It's a cough suppressant. It's not a cough medicine per se.
You drinking that lean? Drinking codeine?
I was drinking a lot of that shit last week.
Bruh.
Now at
2
weeks without any weed.
How's your
Trying to do my
appetite
own-
doing?
It's alright. I'm on a diet anyway, but I've been having
God,
lucid dreams. What happens when I get off the weed?
oh shit.
Yeah, that's kind of normal, I feel like.
I've had 2 lucid dreams in my life. I wanna do it more.
My first ever severe nightmare in my life was my first ever lucid dream. No, not my first ever nightmare. I had a really bad stretch of nightmares as a child. Like, I remember vividly a bunch of them. And then there was at one point in the middle of my dream where I realized, wait, I'm dreaming. And I just and I remember this vividly. I was being chased down the hill from a McDonald's by Ronald McDonald, and I was running to a Burger King for safety.
And then you turn around.
And like he was like running after me with knives and stuff like that and just wanted to like kill me. And all of a sudden I realized, wait, if I'm dreaming, that means this is my own head. And I turned around and just stared at him for a second, and he just turned into like a puppy. And I was like, oh, okay. And I just kind of like hung out in the dream before I woke up. Like, I remember it vividly. And since then, like every nightmare I've ever had, I've just like stopped and can immediately wake up from it, or can just like stop, realize, wait, this is a nightmare, and then just change it to something that's not scary?
If you die in McDonald land, you get diabetes in real life.
Bit set, bit clear, bit flip. Oh, we still have a reserved instruction. Oh well, I didn't even realize we had a reserved instruction. I think I'm gonna make a dedicated priority encoder, like, unit. Oh yeah, I can go to the block diagram and mark off the ALUs here. I marked this orange because it still needs to do. I still need to manage the speculation around it, so I'm gonna.
Hi, baby boy.
Hmm.
My cat is such a good boy. Holy shit. What you want? You're not hungry again, are you? God damn, you're fucking OP. Come here.
So remember before I did the offset by 1 on the bit index and bit select stuff? I think I'm gonna remove that offset by 1. Because remember we did like the +1, the bit scan.
Yeah, because you wanted it implied that that operation meant you needed to shift at least 1.
Yeah, the whole idea behind it was that if you do a bit scan on a value and it returns a 0, that means the value was 0. Instead of being a 0 could mean that the value was a 0 or there was a 1 in the 0 index. Because the other option is I either do it direct bit index wise, or or I just force you to like check if 0 beforehand. I just realized something. I have a reserved instruction. Why don't I have a compare equal? Oh yeah, because that's literally just fucking subtraction. No, I'm gonna actually have a dedicated if equal. I just realized I was messing with the ISA. And I wasn't even putting thing. Hey Ellie,
What's up?
what do you think I should do with
What
my?
do I think about?
So with my bit select, bit clear, like the bit manipulation, where you can like individually flip or set or clear a particular bit in a value, and my bit scan, where you find like the lowest value one or highest value one. I in pORC1 I had them where instead of going for a bit index, like 0 modifying the 0 bit and 7 modifying like the 7th bit, whatever, it would be offset by 1. So it'd be like 1 would modify the 0th bit and 8 would modify the 7th bit. And so that way if you passed in a 0, it wouldn't modify the value at all. Because a lot of bit scans return like if the LSB is on, then it returns a 0. But if nothing is on, then it also returns a 0. And I hate that there's two cases.
Being explicit using the instruction, so I think it worked the way you had it. I don't know.
I mean, it does work, but I'm curious if I should change it to the way that like some other where it's commonly done elsewhere. I like it this way better, but if I change it to that way, then you're going to need to check if you're equal to 0. You're gonna have to do some check.
All right, I got it backwards. I think the way you're describing changing it makes more sense because you're being explicit with the call, and if it does something and there's no result, it's kind of on the programmer maybe.
That's what I'm wondering. Like, should I take it to say, hey, it's the programmer's fault if you send it to 0 and it changes the LSB, and you didn't want it to change something, that's on you?
And then
Or
you
if you
check
like,
it yourself.
or if you scan out, if you do a bit scan and it returns a 0, it's up to you to make sure that the value itself wasn't actually a 0.
Yeah. Need some real world examples, I guess, to weigh it, whether it's valuable that way or not.
I like it the way I have it before because the other way involves a branch penalty. If I have it be at 0, like if you ever want a bit set or clear or something like that, it involves having a branch penalty to check if your value is 0 first.
That's an argument.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it with the offset.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Vanitas. Good morning.
Ellie, did you see the Slack message?
I did. I'm just gonna go ahead and block you in Slack, okay?
Okay.
What do ducks have in their soup? Quackers!
I'm gonna send you so many dumb corporate email jokes.
Today is a great day.
Why?
Can't say. It's just a great day.
I see.
Do 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 do. Operator
Wait,
B.
Is your birthday the 23rd?
No.
What's your social security number?
123 752 9999999.
That's not a proper security number. That's not right.
How do you know?
You know the
Just
funniest
right
thing?
number of numbers.
You know the funniest thing?
What?
I'm gonna send you his social security in a DM.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you even have it?
Yeah,
Do you for real?
for real.
When did you get it?
Don't worry about that.
Where would I have even put it?
Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna do it in Discord. I don't trust that snaring this shit.
To be fair, I have read it out loud when asked in private chats to y'all, like real quick, just spat it out real fast. We've all just like shout out personal information as fast as possible with each other. I'm debating if I want my comparisons, if false, to output 1, or if I want them to output the subtraction result. I kind of like outputting the subtraction result. So if you do like a greater than or equal to check, it then will output the
Oh my god, he actually sent me your social security number.
as long as it wasn't on Discord.
Jesus. Alright, time to steal your identity.
That's fine. I have like so many protections and like locks. You can't do shit with it.
Gio, how good is your credit score?
We're about to find out.
No, you just sent me a bunch of random numbers.
Well, I figured there's no way that bitch would send my social in a DM without like immediately being fired.
God, that shit's so funny. When's the meeting? It's at fucking 9?
You got more than an hour.
Oh. And an hour and 10 minutes.
Can the company see like DMs between people in Slack?
Huh? You say can like managers see your Slack messages? No.
Okay.
I cannot see your DMs between each other.
So I, in theory, could talk about how gay my boss Geo is and not get in trouble.
Yeah, just know that it is like you can get access to it if you like ask, I believe. If like there was like an issue internally, I think you can look at those, but I don't know. I don't know what Slack's policy is on that. I really have no idea.
Yep. I'm not playing the game right now. Yeah, we'll start playing. Pro player. God, hold on. What is this, bro? All these tabs.
Damn, bro, that's a lot of tabs.
Vantus's voice sounded much different there.
That was a different person.
No.
If you knew that, Gio, why'd you say Vanda's voices sounded different?
Because it
The
came through
joke.
Vantus's mic. It was a ha ha.
Wait, what is that? Is that from The Simpsons, that little fat kid?
Cigarettes
Nelson
and
the bully.
coffee for breakfast.
Nelson the bully.
I still haven't watched The Simpsons, and I got spoiled, because now I know that one kid is actually like a... What's it called? Where you're like an adult agent, you're undercover. He's like undercover at the school.
What are you talking about?
There's a character from The Simpsons, one of the kids at school, actually isn't a kid. He's like a full adult, and he's undercover, like... I don't know why he's undercover there, looking for drugs or something.
Is there food? Should I go buy food? What's open right now? I don't even think
I need food.
anything's open. I think Jack is open.
Jack in the Box?
Taco Bell, yeah.
What about Taco Bell?
I don't think
Okay.
Taco Bell's open. McDonald's is only selling breakfast right now, which McDonald's breakfast is fucking gross.
Get Thai food.
It's not that bad.
It's
Yeah,
9
Thai
a.m.
food? Bro, it's 7:53 a.m. I would love to get Thai food,
No, it's
but I
not. It's
can't.
7:54.
Actually,
Fucking Matt, no, it's 7:54.
actually, I've got like half a thing of fucking Penang in the fridge right now. I can go eat that.
Oh, I fucking love you, Matthew.
I think Carl's Jr. is better than Jack in the Box anyway.
You're absolutely correct, but Carl's Jr. is way more expensive.
Yeah, it is. That sucks.
Like I super agree with you. Double Western bacon cheeseburger is fucking fire,
Oh my
but
God.
Jack is so much cheaper.
Yeah.
Like a burger from Carl's is like the same price as like a full meal from Jack.
I've never heard of these brands.
You know what? I have a problem. I
Yeah.
fucking love the frozen Coke from McDonald's. It's like literally just a slushie, but it's soda. It's amazing.
Whoa!
Wow, it's like it's full
I'm
of
gonna
sugar.
go reheat my Penang and go eat that. I'll be right back.
I have 2 ham sliders I'm gonna heat up after I call this stream here shortly.
Used to get the Coca-Cola Slurpee at 7-Eleven like once a week.
That's just so good.
Yeah. You're breaking this all into more wires just to make it a little more organized.
Yeah.
I just realized the way I wrote the register shit in my in SV, it's like half register file and half like actual individual register. Which just goes to show that I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Wait, I'm not kidding you. Hold on, let me post a screenshot of this shit. Actually, you know what? I'll just... That's it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking copy paste this exact thing. Let me get up and stretch again. Actually, I think I'm just gonna call this and just get off here so I can eat and relax before work call.
Fuck. Sorry.
What? Wait, sorry for just randomly blurting fuck. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it here. And then on Friday I'll finish up this ALU.
Gotcha. I'm going to stay here and work on my CPU. Hopefully can get some shit done.
I'll be staying in chat for a little bit. I'm just ending the stream so I can like get up and stretch and eat and stuff.
Gotcha.
But yeah, so then next time I'll finish ALU Simple 1 and then I'll go back and update the perm counter.
I have returned with
Coolio.
curry.
Coolio. So I'm ending the stream, Ellie, and I'm going to be next Friday. I'm gonna finish up the ALU, this ALU I'm working on. I'm gonna go back through and modify the program counter to have like I'm gonna build out this shadow program counter stuff for speculation and incorporate that into the program counter. Then that should take care of a large portion of the system. The instruction decoder is mostly done. It still needs a few edge cases. I just don't want to deal with it. This is a simple mux. This is a mux. Yeah, most of these things are mostly done. This can be
Is
removed.
this an updated That's like an updated picture for the thing, right?
Pardon?
That's like never mind.
It's just the block diagram.
Yeah,
It's updated from the last one.
yeah,
Which
that's basically what I was asking.
I'll probably end up adding another pipeline stage right here. There's 3 decodes.
I'm gonna eat. I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's actually be decode 0, decode 1, and then issue, because this should technically be an issue.
Is that block diagram on the GitHub yet, or?
No, it's...
Oh, gotcha.
By making this one stage, that means I can actually do some more fancy stuff with this instruction decoder and not feel guilty. Because like I need to add a complex like conditional case for this, for the privilege instructions. I don't want to do that. Effectively, I'm going to make a case statement, and I'm just going to have a giant list of like it's going to have a 3-bit output that says whether or not it writes to A, reads from A, and reads from B, and then I'm just going to set those as bits. I'm just going to OR those together and output in here to say yes or no. That actually may be I may end up actually just doing that. That would actually be really simple because I could just have a I could have a major op code mux, and then in here you would assign a 3-bit vector. Which would be write A, read B, and then that would go minor yeah, so I would just make a 2-layer 16 deep mux since it's going to be in its own stage. I don't really care if it's extra logic. But that'll allow me to get a much cleaner, because there's operations now that I don't like, that I have like will result in false dependencies, but I don't want those false dependencies. I don't want to have to stall for an operand that I know I'm not going to use. It cringes me to do that. So I'll just end up doing something like this. Yeah, I like that, because then if people add more, if I want to expand this with more instructions and stuff like that, it's very easy to expand. Yeah, I'm gonna. So these 3 will be what I work on next time. Oh, let me pull back out the program counter.
I love curry.
Okay, so these 4 are on the chopping block for next time. I'm gonna finish up this one, write this in a way that makes me happy, and then write the priority encoder which I need for this ALU, which is just copying this code. And adding the speculation to the program counter. If I do that, I should be able to do those 3 things Friday, since I'll have like a full. I won't have to get off at 11. I can actually work the normal 4 hours I do on this. And then I'll work on these after that. I still need to work on the fucking run ahead, finish up the run ahead queue and the stat cache. There's just a lot to do. It'll take a few weeks still, but it's getting there. Anyway, goodbye, YouTubes.
Oh, why?
Goodbye.